Hello friends, welcome to this new and quick tutorial. Today I have this iPhone here. It's an iPhone 7 and the problem on it is that the screen freezed. It's not responding to the touch. And today I will show you two ways how to fix this problem. The first way is force restarting the phone. Okay, and the second way we need to open the phone and disconnect the battery and reconnect it. So you already know the idea. If you already know how to open the phone, you can just go ahead and skip this video if you don't want to watch it, but in case you want to see the full process, just bear with me. All right, so to force restart the phone, we need just to push the volume up button, then the volume down, then the power button, and we will hold the power button for maybe 10 seconds up to 20 seconds. Okay, so let's do it. This is the force restart. So volume up, volume down, and the power button, and keep holding. Keep holding. When you see this sign, just keep holding. It may take like 10 seconds or more. So I'm just holding. And then what's gonna happen in your case, because I don't think that this will happen here, and then what's gonna happen, the phone will turn off, and then it will show me the Apple logo here. And once I see I keep holding. Once the phone turns off, I just keep holding, and once I see the Apple logo here, I will release. Then the phone should work normal. So this is the first trick. So I'm gonna try it one more time. It looks like something wrong with this all right, keep holding. Yeah, if it doesn't take you to if it doesn't turn off, that means it's not gonna do anything. Let me try another way. So I'm gonna push the volume down button, and I will push the power button, because this method, it works on the old iPhones, and the one that I tried, it definitely works on the new iPhones. So let me try the volume down button, then the power button, and hold both of them. Okay, it looks like it works. So now the phone will turn off. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo. Okay, so now I will release and wait. So actually it's for on the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 8, I think you need to push the volume down button and the power button and hold until the phone turns off, and once it shows you the Apple logo, then release. I was just doing the force restarts that works for the iPhone 10 and up. Anyway, so I did the force restart and it's still not responding. So what I'm going to do now, I will go to the second option, which is opening the phone and disconnecting the battery from inside. And we may have the third option, so to take this phone apart, we will need some tools. We will need pencil screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, maybe a tri-point screwdriver, an IC semi, and tweezers. Okay, so let's start by taking these two screws off, out from here. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. Then I'm going to use this IC semi, and we'll go underneath here between the glass, between the screen and the frame, and I will insert this and pry up gently until I make a small gap here. Then I will use my nail to hold it. Then I will slide this around the edge like this until I release this part. Then I can lift up the screen a little bit more. Then I will go here to this side, and I will do the same thing. Just pry up gently until you release the screen. And once the screen is open from this side and from this side, what we're gonna do, we're gonna open it like we are opening a book, but it stuck here, so we need to push it down a little bit. Then we can open it gently. Don't use the force, just open it gently. All right, so once we have this open, we're gonna take off these screws. Okay, the screws are not Phillips, so we're gonna use the tri-point screwdriver. Keep these screws organized because you have to put every screw back to its original spot. right, so now I will remove this bracket, and then what I'm gonna do, I will disconnect the battery cable. This is the battery cable here, so I will disconnect it and wait like a couple seconds, then reconnect, and then we will turn on the phone and see if it works. I will just wait for the phone to turn on. If it works, I'm just gonna put this bracket back and put the phone back together. If it doesn't, we will have to move to the third solution. So the first solution is force restart the phone, and the second solution is disconnecting the battery, and the third solution, we're gonna check the LCD cables. It's still not responding. So now what I'm gonna do, I will disconnect the battery again. I'm disconnecting the battery, then I will disconnect the LCD cables. So we have this cable here and this cable here. Then I'm just gonna reconnect them. I reconnect them well. I make sure that everything reconnected well. Then I connect the battery, then try again. Alright, so the phone will turn on right now. Hopefully it works now. As you see, so it start working. So the problem was the screen cable was not connected well. That's why the force restart doesn't work. Then the disconnecting the battery doesn't work by itself. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do, I will just put this bracket back. So let me tell you something. If disconnecting the screen cables doesn't solve the problem, you need to disconnect this cable here. This is the front facing camera cable. You can disconnect it. It has a bracket here with the 2 screws. Then disconnect this cable and turn on the phone without connecting this cable, and see if it works. That means this cable is damaged, because the problem may happen because of this cable here too. Then if you try this will be the fourth solution. Then the fifth solution is replacing the screen completely. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put the phone back together since it's already working. I'm gonna put this bracket back here. Then another screw right here. Every screw must go back to its spot, because the screws are not the same length and size. Some of them are the same, but just to be safe, put every screw back to its original spot. Alright, so now I put this bracket back. So what I'm gonna do now, I will put this top hooks inside here. Make sure there is no gap here. Look, now I have small gap here, right? So make sure you seal it off like this. Then you hold and you release, then you snap the phone. Test the phone, make sure it's working. As you see, it's responding. And now I'm gonna put the bottom screws. And that's how we fix this problem. If you find that this video is helpful, please hit the thumbs up. This will help the phone to, the video to be watched by a lot of watchers, and it may solve someone's problem. So hit the thumbs up, and also subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, maybe you can go back to me and leave your question on in one of my videos, and I will make sure I'll give you the right answer. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video and have a wonderful time. Peace.